Made it to Sun and Fun. And I'm here with my buddy Joe.
We finally got Bob to Sun and Fun.
So we're going to go tripping around and see what happens. I know you've got commitments today.
Yeah, I got a couple commitments, but we're going to tag you along a little bit and see how many people recognize you and get you signing some autographs today, brother.
Yeah, right.
You'll be...
All right, let's see where this goes.
Wait for it. Back he goes. Speaks to his physical fitness with the avalanche 1, 2, 3 times on the top of the loop.
Ladies and gentlemen, with the VMAX formation, the full throttle formation team.
So we're in a sea of RVs. Matter of fact, here comes an RV-10 right here. Beautiful airplanes. So we're sitting here at the press tent, watching all the dignitaries. They had the Thunderbirds do a meet and greet here. So they also have 3,000 kids wandering around here from the high schools. Like I said, I've never been here before, and man, I wandering around meeting all kinds of people. I even got to sign an autograph, which feels really weird. But yeah, there's a lot of airplanes here, a lot of people. It's hot. Trying to stay hydrated. Have some good news from Jan, and I'll share that with you on the next episode. We're going to do some more wandering around and see what's flying. Thunderbirds are here somewhere out on the flight line besides their meet and greet they just had. Hung out with Jason and the crew for a minute. Well, I got back from Sun and Fun. Went through Houston and then back on to Salt Lake. Houston to Salt Lake, even commercial, is a long flight, over 3 hours, but we made it. Had a good time. I probably will want to go back, even though my feet were really worn out by the end of the week. Met a lot of interesting people. The air show was pretty cool. I did not attend the night air show. They say that was really cool. But anyway, so I hope this episode didn't bore you. We'll see what's going on in the hangar this next week, and hopefully you like the video, and if you wouldn't mind making a subscription and liking the video and help me grow. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.